It's Yasin from Excel Electrician. In this video today I'll show you how to top up a boiler if you got an error F22. If your Vaillant boiler showing error F22, it means you lost pressure. What you need to do, there is a feeling loop there. Turn it on and you can see the pressure increasing. We had to bring it to 1.5 bar, and then you can see the boiler comes on again. There you go. That's how easy you can increase the pressure and you get the boiler up and running again. There we go. You can see F22 disappeared. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.